Welcome to the Hancock College Tutorial Center. We are here to help you succeed this semester. We have gone remote. We're completely online this semester, but we are still here to help you. To access services, simply go to our website. It's hancockcollege.edu/tutoring, or just type in tutoring in the search bar on the main page. When you come to our website, you will see simple steps to access tutoring. Number 1, enroll in the free non-credit supervised tutoring course. CRN is listed here, CRN 21316. Number 2, request a tutoring appointment by simply clicking the tutoring request online form. Within 24 hours, you'll receive a phone call or email from our front desk staff, and they will set you up with an appointment. All Hancock students are eligible for 1 free hour of tutoring per course. So if you are enrolled in 3 courses this semester, you can receive an hour of tutoring for each course. If any of that seems confusing, or you'd like to chat with us, you can use our new chat box feature and simply type in a message to chat right here. To access our drop-in tutoring, and this is for students who just need to meet briefly with a tutor, you can click on the drop-in tutoring schedule link here on the left-hand sidebar, and then scroll down and look for the subject in which you're looking for tutoring. For example, you're looking for tutoring for Bio 100, and Tanner's the person on Mondays 5 to 7, and then you just scroll down here and click on Tanner's Zoom link, and it connects you directly with him. Again, if you have any questions, you can simply chat with us here. We are here to help you succeed.
Hi, my name is Fabiola, and I'll tell you 3 reasons why you should visit the Tutorial Center. 1. It'll help you improve your study skills. 2. It'll help you to avoid procrastination. And 3. We're dying to talk to you and help you succeed in each of your classes. Oh, and 4. It's completely free!